Today, we dive into the captivating city-state of Singapore, not only known for its soaring skyscrapers and vibrant culture, but also for its impeccable cleanliness and unique chewing gum ban. Singapore, often hailed as the Garden City, stands as a shining example of urban cleanliness. From the moment you set foot in this remarkable city-state, you'll be captivated by its immaculate streets, sparkling sidewalks, and well-maintained public spaces. But how did Singapore achieve such an impressive level of cleanliness? Singapore's government and its people share a strong commitment to maintaining a spotless environment. A comprehensive waste management system, stringent littering laws, and extensive cleaning efforts ensure that the city remains pristine. Singapore and chewing gum, they don't go together. A city obsessed with cleanliness, the sole reason for introducing the Singapore chewing gum ban was to keep the city clean. Reports suggested that the Housing Development Board spends over $125,000 annually just to scrape gum off from the sidewalks, train doors, bus seats, and other public spaces. According to Singapore's first Prime Minister, Lee Kuan Yew, the Ministers of National Development approached him with the idea in 1980. Lee Kuan Yew believed that enforcing a ban on chewing gum in Singapore altogether would be an extreme step. So initially, the government started with banning chewing gum advertisements that promoted its consumption and sales. Even the opposition government deduced that the problem can be solved by levying fines on offenders and educating people in general. However, the issue still didn't resolve. After Singapore launched the Mass Rapid Transit System, MRT, that revolutionized the transportation and modernized the city, gum stuck on the train door sensors resulted in the whole system malfunctioning and led to disturbances and delays in the train services. So the year was 1992 when the chewing gum ban in Singapore was officially enforced. Here we are walking on the Helix Bridge at Singapore's Marina Bay. It was inspired by the geometric arrangement of a DNA strand, resulting in a walkway that is enclosed by opposing double helix structures of stainless steel. Here we have the famous Marina Bay Sands Resort. Up top is the viewing deck, which you can see the whole city from. Marina Bay Sands Sky Park. Top of everything. Walker, were you aware that in 1819 Sir Stamford Raffles came here in this very same bay? It was nothing more than a fishing village and a haven for pirates.
No.
And he changed it into what is now known as Singapore, the last remaining city-state in the world.
No, I did not know that.
Now you do. There used to be Pirate Haven out here.
Now I knew? Really, Dad?
Pirate Haven and now a fishing village. No, it was fishing village, pirate haven, and now it's full of cargo ships.
Yeah, that's a lot of cargo ships, and they're really huge ones back there.
Singapore is known for its water fountains and water features, even small, odd little things like this. You'll find them all around the city. Singapore is also known for its crazy water features. Just neat. Neat things like this. But first you got to do the paddle. Get up on the board. And Walker immediately gravitates towards the water fountain. Huh?
What?
Huh? Feels good. The Marina Bay Sands Resort has a huge shopping mall inside, and also this lazy river where you can go for a gondola ride. We're about to get on a Marina Bay Sands gondola ride.
If that's what it's called, then yes.
Yes.
Canal.
Canal ride on the gondola. We're just going to call it a gondola. Let's see what happens.
You can keep it. Okay.
All right, Walker, go ahead. All right.
Don't make her sink.
Here we go on the boat ride inside of a mall in Singapore.
Like a kid. Do you need coffee?
More coffee?
Yeah, a cup of coffee. Show something. It's paid. No. Мальчики катаются, девочки гуляют.
So, Singapore Burger King, they don't have straws, they have sippy tips on each thing.
Sippy tips.
And also Singapore, much to Walker's dismay, does not supply chewing gum. So nobody puts chewing gum all over things. That's why Singapore is so clean. Yes?
Can't wait to go to Bali. Yes. They have gum there.
Yes, gum in Bali. Bali coming soon. So in Singapore, the subways have a safety wall so you don't just fall over into the tracks. So as the train comes, this door opens along with the train door. There's no risk of falling down under the tracks. Good, Lena.